Maggie Beck took a ride around Tuolumne County on Monday for the sights and scenes of today's storm. This is Sims Road, which was flooded and closed. Old Priest Grade was closed this morning because of a mudslide, but reopened in the early afternoon. Bell Mooney was closed today as well. This is what Red Hills Road looked like today around noon. Charles Smith of Sierra Village was going to head into town, but he had a little work to do before he could get there. We'll leave you now with this lovely image of Sugar Pine Road.